Hello, hello, and welcome back. Welcome to this quick keyboard fix. I'm just grabbing things. See, I came back from the world of Commodore, and I'd taken lots of stuff there. I did. And I really haven't unpacked well yet. I have not. So, and in the quickness of getting this done, I said, well, I can do this. Just have to fix one wire. But then, of course, it's not one wire. It's pretty much all of them. But anyway, as I say, I have charted out based on what was here, what pin and what colors and what's going on here. So I should be able to put this back together and have it function. That is the plan. It is. Right now, the desoldering iron is heating. I don't know how much help it's going to be. I would like to think it's very helpful, but I'm just not sure. Because I did try and have a go at one of the wires before. And you know, it would be a lot easier if the wires were attached, because then I could kind of pull on them. But I can't really pull on these. Oh, by the way, here's something. Now people say I don't get rid of things. Here's a thing. It came on the top of a. It's not really nicely there. It's on a tripod to attach to stick a phone in there. Beautiful thought. But when I put a phone in, I'm not sure if this thing is big enough or what's going on, but it tries to spit the phone out. So what am I going to do? Well, if you listen to this beautiful sound, there, I have chucked it in the garbage. So when people say I don't get rid of anything, I get rid of that. It used to have this other extra rubber piece on it that was supposed to hold it, but it doesn't. It just doesn't. The one I'm using now, which is in front of me, does seem to work quite well. That is comforting. But this one, I have the tripod. I could put something else on it because it does sort of have a regular kind of a thing. Now, it's funny. I have the soldering iron here. I'm touching it to some solder. See if it would melt it. And I guess it's not. Well, I guess it's getting ready to do it, but it's not really hot enough yet. So, for this trick, I need this to be hot. I do. Very, very hot. So right now, things have been sort of heating for, I don't know, roughly 3 minutes and 56 seconds. That does not seem long enough. This is going to be a pain. The whole thing is going to be a pain. No doubt. No doubt about it. Because if you look, I think I'm zoomed in as much as I can be. Oh, wait a second here. I can. Okay, this may not be pretty, but I'll do it. I'm going to move this down a little closer. There. That is as close as I can get with this sort of thing. So, to see if you can see all the things, there's solder and there's little bits of wire. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is go after this black one right here. And because the wire is still sticking through, I think if I pull on the wire, there is some level of hope that I will be able to get it out. And then tidy. Oh, that's melting well. But the wire is not coming out. Okay. But it melted well. That is encouraging. But that didn't go well. Oh well, let's try the next one. Let's see. Oh, there's a little smoke. Yeah, this is probably going to go much as I thought. And that, I'm going to, oh, the wire bits almost came out. I'm going to have to find ways to get the wire out without burning myself. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. I'm going to go back to this one here where there actually is a wire. Oh dear, 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 that did not go well. Sorry. I'm going to try. Get on there. Oh, okay, got a wire out. Got a wire out. Alright, now the others here. There's no wire. There's just solder and wire within. Ugh. Yeah, this is going to be a pain because now, of course, the wires I don't really want to hurt are kind of in the way. I'm going to tuck them underneath. This is not going to be fun. Alright, we're melting. And we'll suck. Of course, when there's real wires attached, which there are, some of these, I may be able to pull, but then I'm not sure which ones have wires attached anymore. Oh, golly. You know, I'm not sure. Maybe it's been a while, but this doesn't seem to be sucking all that well. That one didn't go badly. Maybe I have to be on there, but on a bit of an angle. Oh yeah, that's melting nicely. It must be getting nice and hot. But are the little bits of wire going to come out nicely? My gut tells me no, not really. But we'll see. I think that one actually has a wire attached. And that, of course, it's good. But also the wire will help take away some of the heat. So it doesn't get as hot as it might. It does not. And there's all the little wire things that are still there to torment me. I'm going to try something here because I can, I think. This one here, this yellow wire, I think I can maybe get it to pull out. Maybe if I can, I can't even get my hand on it. Oh, come on. No, that's really not happening. Oh, dear, 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 dear. But it's almost out. Oh, there we go. It's out. I wonder. We're about as close as we can be. Oh dear, excuse me. This sound thing. I wonder if this one. Well, it broke. That's not what I have. This one seems loose. This white and yellow one. Maybe, if I'm careful, I can hold it just so. Heat it and pull it out. Maybe. It does not seem to be happening now, but it is getting hot. Now, did I have the right? Was I doing the right one? That is the question. Should be that one. All right, let's try that again. Sorry about this. I know this is difficult. It is difficult for I as well. Come on out. Nope, it does not want to come out. This is a general pain. A very general pain. I'm thinking. Right. It's even hard to know if I have the iron on in the right spot. Oh, dear. Well, I'm going to have to come up with something. Am I on the right one? Yeah, it looks like it. I see broken strands here. Oh, good. I'll just snap it off. All right. So we have a whole lot of broken wires here. I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to deal with them. Stay tuned. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.